Peace in the waning days. On the 26th dynasty, Sentekal ascended the throne of ancient Egypt, caught between its storied past and impending calamity. His reign, beginning in 526 BC and tragically cut short by 525 BC, marked the end of an era that saw Egypt as a vibrant cultural and political entity. Born to Pharaoh Ahmose II, Sentek III was thrust into power in a time of great external pressures. The Persian Empire, under the ambitious Cyrus the Great, eyed Egypt with imperialistic fervor. Despite his brief tenure, Sentek's efforts to fortify his domain were notable. He bolstered the defenses of key cities like Pelusium, the eastern gateway to the Nile Delta, which would later be the stage for his ultimate test against the Persians. Herodotus, the Greek historian, offers the most comprehensive account of Sentek III's reign. According to him, Sentek's strategies and alliances showcased a pharaoh attempting to navigate through the treacherous waters of international diplomacy and war. His endeavors to maintain Egyptian sovereignty against the burgeoning Persian threat speak volumes about his commitment to his homeland's legacy. However, fate was not on his side. In a decisive confrontation at Pelusium in 525 BC, Sentek III was defeated by Cambyses II of Persia. This battle did not just signify the loss of a city or even a kingdom, but the eclipse of Egyptian independence, ushering in a period of foreign domination. Despite his defeat, the legacy of Sentek III is a testament to the resilience and enduring spirit of the Egyptian people. His short reign highlights a pivotal moment in Egyptian history, a struggle against the inevitable tide of change that would reshape their world. In reflecting upon the reign of Sentek III, we gain a poignant insight into the power of resilience and the enduring nature of cultural identity. His story encourages us to remember that even in the face of overwhelming odds, the spirit of a people can survive through epochs, preserved in the annals of history, awaiting rediscovery by those eager to learn from the past. As the echoes of Sentek III's reign faded under Persian rule, the heart of Egyptian culture and identity continued to beat. The Egyptians, known for their monumental architecture, intricate religious practices, and profound philosophical insights, found ways to adapt and endure. Even as foreign powers imposed their will, the essence of what it meant to be Egyptian, resilient, proud, and deeply connected to their land, remained unbroken. The story of Sentek III, though marked by military defeat, also highlights a critical junction in Egyptian history where adaptation and perseverance became necessary for survival. The integration of foreign elements into their society did not erase their identity but rather enriched their cultural tapestry. This blend of the old and the new helped pave the way for future generations to understand and appreciate their rich heritage amidst changing political landscapes. In modern times, Sentek III's era serves as a powerful reminder of the importance of safeguarding cultural heritage and learning from history. It challenges us to consider how we, too, can preserve our unique identities in an ever-globalizing world. By studying his reign and its impact on Egyptian culture, we gain insights into the resilience required to navigate the challenges of our time. As we look back at the life of Sentek III, we see not just a ruler, but a symbol of the enduring human spirit. His story encourages us to embrace our past with pride and to draw strength from our history, even when faced with adversity. Let the tale of Sentek III inspire us to carry forward the lessons learned from our ancestors, using them as a foundation to build a future that honors our heritage and celebrates our potential. In the reflection of history's mirror, the narrative of Sentek III, though brief and shadowed by defeat, shines as a beacon of the human capacity to endure and evolve. The final chapter of his reign did not close the book on the vibrancy and spirit of the Egyptian civilization. Rather, it opened new dialogues about resilience, adaptation, and cultural perseverance that resonated through the ages. The lessons from Sentek III's time are particularly relevant in today's global society, where cultural identities are both preserved and challenged. His reign, encapsulated by a stoic defense against overwhelming odds, teaches us that the essence of a nation lies not solely in its current power or prosperity but in the strength of its people's connection to their heritage and to each other. As the sands of Egypt continue to uncover relics of the past, each artifact and inscription about Sentek III adds depth to our understanding of how ancient civilizations met the challenges of their times. These discoveries are not mere remnants of bygone eras but are keys to unlocking the wisdom of the past, guiding us in facing our present and future challenges. Let the story of Sentek III be a testament to the power of history, not as a relic of what once was, but as a continuous source of inspiration and enlightenment. In embracing our history, we learn not only about our origins but also about our potential for greatness, resilience, and the eternal hope that defines the human spirit. This self-knowledge empowers us to stride confidently into the future, fortified by the lessons of the past and inspired by the possibilities of tomorrow. Thus, as the tale of the last pharaoh of the 26th dynasty unfolds, it reminds us that in the annals of history, every end is but a prelude to a new beginning, echoing through eternity, urging us to rise, endure, and prosper. Kindly click like, subscribe, and share this channel.